The pandemic certainly showed us the importance of people coming together in person. Our show particularly is very visual. We have live plants. There's a lot of energy that happens between the people, among the plants. And of course, after the trade show, I heard someone say one time there's no such thing as a virtual beer, which I think is just a perfect way to describe the importance of in-person meetings. We have been coming to Orlando since 1983 for our event. The central location is important to us, but also it's so convenient, even for the people we have flying in or on the roads, it's really convenient to get to Orlando. And now Orlando has so many options in terms of hotels. So we've got the high-end luxury resorts, and we also have the more economical places, and our group is looking for all of that. And then, of course, the entertainment, the restaurant selection, and it's all close to the convention center, so people don't have to go too far after a long day working the trade show to enjoy a really nice time together in the evening.